Hello everyone, I am Anu Jain, mother of Paridhi Jain, studying in UKGA in Public School. Today I am feeling highly privileged to greet you all. My husband is alumni of MMPS. He always wanted my daughter to be the part of this highly prestigious school. As per him, drastic changes in study pattern of the school, smart classes has made the learning process more interactive. Their efforts for class decoration, fun-loving activities, self-designed notebooks are highly appreciable. Nothing can be compared to the sacrifices made by the teacher to teach the students because they nourishes the minds of our little ones, which brings the development of entire nation. Especially in the situation of this pandemic, it is very difficult for them with less resources to teach online from their homes. I am very grateful to the teaching staff and coordinator of MMPS who brings new ideas to teach our little ones with less resources. It involves hours of hard work to prepare a 40-minute session and it clearly visible. Their online sessions are highly interactive, which are beneficial to the students as well as to the parents. We are really appreciate the patience, time and energy they are putting to teach our little ones. We are highly privileged to be the part of this school. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My name is Piyush Mittal. I'm working as a journal manager and senior faculty with SRM University. My son name is Maurya Mittal. He's studying in a first A. I would like to thank you to Public School Management for doing great efforts, bringing online education platform to our home and teaching our children in a very innovative way. I would like to thank class coordinator, class teacher and above and all principal for doing this kind of exemplary work. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, myself Ritu Mittal, mother of Maurya Mittal, studying in class 1A. I am working as a manager with one of the leading law firm. As what I say that Public School is doing a tremendous work by giving online classes in this where everything is closed. The teachers are trying their level best to give the best education to their children, especially under the coordination of the coordinator. And yes, hats off to the principal who is organizing all these things. Hats off to each and everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Good morning. Amid the difficult scenario of this corona pandemic, the corona warriors, which include the doctors, police personnel, paramedics, the nursing staff, are doing amazing work for the humanity. Among all these, we should not forget the efforts of the teachers of the Public School who are not only taking the online classes of their students to complete their course but also using their creative ways to keep the mental health of the children as well as keep them motivated. It is a real privilege for the parents whose children are studying in this school to have such dedicated staff who are doing their best for the education of the kids. I am really thankful to the school as well as the teachers for their amazing efforts and would like to say that they should continue this doing among this pandemic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kamna Arora. I am Daksha Arora's mother who is in class 2nd A in Public School. I just want to say that in this lockdown period, we are doing our best to support the society and the family. But the effort which Public School has shown towards their children is really commendable. As all we know that online classes are going on with a good pace. The teachers are supporting their children. They make them understand the whole concept. They are doing hard work with them also. And they questions them when it is needed, and basically they call out their names also to make them responsible enough to answer for that particular question. And I am observing at my end also how the child is excited before the class is going to start. So I feel very good when they take the online sessions and child is spending 2 hours with them. So
Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine, will be with your family, and most importantly, you all are in your homes. There is a lockdown and all those who are working for us, dealing in basic requirements, medical services and many more services which government is providing us so that people do not suffer any problem. A big salute to those people who are ready to give services in even in such a difficult times of lockdown. And a very big salute to the school principal ma'am, teachers, and who are working hard with students. Very supportive, who are teaching through online classes to the students, taking regular tests, and encouraging them and encouraging the students to create and technical activities. Students are making best utilization of time. In the morning, students are attending online classes on fitness, yoga, diet and proper nutrition, and many more. Teachers are making great efforts and leaves no stone unturned to teach the students in difficult times of lockdown. Special counselors are teaching students on time management and tell them about their priorities. So, as a parent, I am very happy and satisfied for the services which MMPS school is providing to their students.
मेरा बेटा दीपक कुमार जो एमएम पब्लिक स्कूल के 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रहा है और जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, फिर भी इस स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल एवं टीचर्स बच्चों की पढ़ाई पर पूरा ध्यान देते हुए उन्हें ऑनलाइन क्लास देकर बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, जिससे कि हमारे बच्चे घर पर रहकर भी बहुत कुछ सीख रहे हैं। टीचर्स हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं और उनके लिए काफ़ी कुछ कर रहे हैं। इसके लिए मैं प्रिंसिपल मैम और सभी टीचर्स का धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
This side Hemant Gupta. I'm working as finance manager with a UK-based telecom multinational. I just want to share some thoughts with all of you today. I'm really proud of to be part of esteemed educational institute MM Public School. MM Public School learning system has great positive impact on education. MM endeavors to instill sense of self-discipline in students. The school must be acknowledged for the value-based, innovative, caring, and student-centered approach towards imparting education. This school has nurtured potential and talent of my daughter. She studies in Amma Public School since 2017 when she started her LKG, and now after 2 years I found school really very helpful, guiding and cooperative on all these steps. The school indeed makes every student strong and ensures that each student is able to achieve his goals and strive for excellence. Even in these difficult times, school is making every effort to impart quality education with all the children studying there. I'm really thankful to the teaching staff, the coordinators, the principal, and the school management. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone.
A very good afternoon to all. I hope everybody is safe and healthy in this corona pandemic. This is Austin Patrick. I work with UN organization in administration department. I'm parent of Myra Oswin, student of UKGB of MM Public School, Vasudha Enclave, Pitampura. I am proud to be a part of this esteemed institution. I like to share my views on school and its faculty. First of all, I highly appreciate school principal, teachers, staff, and other members for putting their tremendous efforts not only enhancing children's academic structure but also on their overall development. I'm very happy that I got admitted my daughter in this reputed school, as the teachers are highly qualified and best in their respective fields. As we are all very well aware of this lockdown period, I like to thank school principal and teachers that they have decided to provide online classes to their students. I am very much satisfied with the online classes that my daughter is getting. Apart from this online classes, school gives revision worksheets and other activities which children can do staying inside home only. I like to add one more thing, that my wife was also passed out from this same school in the year 2005. So I am very much happy with the school and the school performances. My daughter is very happy, so I am happy.